Hello student, today again we are going to see this next topic, that is levels of diversity. And basically there are three types of the levels: genetic levels, ecosystem and species. So these three types of the levels is important. So that you know very well, already we have seen this definition of this biodiversity. It is a biological diversity or biodiversity is that part of nature which includes the differences in genes, the individuals of a species, the variety and richness of all the plant and animal species at different scales in space, locally in a region, in the country and the world, and various types of ecosystem, both terrestrial and aquatic, within a defined area is the biological diversity. The word biodiversity, originates from the Greek word that is bios, means life, and Latin word that is diversities, diversitas, that is variety or difference. The whole word biodiversity generally therefore means the variety of life. So there is a importance of biodiversity is because this biodiversity is given the lot of resources to the humans, lot of resources with their economic generations, and everything that lives in an ecosystem is part of the web of life, including the humans, each species of vegetations, and each creature has a place on the earth and plays a vital role in the circle of life. The plant, animal and insect species interact and depend upon one another for what each offers, such as food, shelter, oxygen and soil enrichment. So this food which are taking from these various type of the plants, shelters we can take the plant, oxygen and soil enrichment is important for the human being. So maintaining a wide diversity of species in each ecosystem is necessary to preserve the web of the life that sustains all living things. In his 1992 the bestseller The Diversity of Life from Harvard University, biologist Edward Wilson, known as the father of biodiversity, said it is reckless to suppose that biodiversity can be diminished indefinitely without threatening the humanity itself. So these are the levels of or types of biodiversity. First one is the ecosystem. You can observe these images. Ecosystem is the environmental, which are related to environment. Second one is the genus diversity. So it is one of the single genus, and the genus will form from there the species. The community and ecosystem diversity, different habitat reaches the species interactions. The species diversity, different kind of organisms. You can see the example of frog, you can see the one example in the plant, that is food, the rice. So there is a different type of the column. You can say the basmati rice column, vada column, etc. So this is the species diversity. And genetic diversity, the different gene and combination of gene within the population. फॉर एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही जर एक जीन्स घेतला, समजा साप घेतला, हा साप एक जीनस आहे, पण त्याच्यामध्ये वेगवेगळे व्हरायटीज आहेत, वेगवेगळे स्पीसीज आहेत. म्हणजे आपल्याला माहिती आहे कोब्रा आहे, कांडर आहे, धामण आहे, त्याच्यानंतर हरणटोळ आहे. हे वेगवेगळे स्पीसीज, त्याला आपण स्पीसीज डायव्हर्सिटी म्हणतो. दी कम्युनिटी अँड इकोसिस्टम डायव्हर्सिटी, द इकोसिस्टम डायव्हर्सिटी refers to the diversity of a place at the level of ecosystem and This has been three perspective, that is alpha diversity, beta diversity and the gamma diversity. So the alpha diversity within community diversity, the alpha diversity refers to the diversity of organisms sharing the same community, that is habitat, and the beta diversity is between the community diversity. It refers to the diversity of organisms sharing two habitats. Third one is the gamma diversity, the diversity of the habitat over the total in landscape or geographical area is called the gamma diversity. Then species diversity, see, you can observe there is a different types of the flowers, different types of this insect you can observe. So there is a different species, only the gene is the flower, insect is the flower, but there is a various type of the species diversity, and it refers to the variety of species within a region. The species diversity is an index that incorporate the number of species in an area and also their relative abundance. It is generally a much more useful value than species richness. So you can see this. This is the one of the maze. It is a level of biodiversity, and that refers to the total number of genetic characteristics in the genetic makeup of a species. It is distinguished from the genetic variability, which describe the tendency of genetic characteristics to vary. So there is a different characteristics in the maze. Now the conservation of biodiversity. The conservation of biological diversity held in June 1992 stressed the need of the conservation biodiversity and sustainable development and perpetuation of human beings on earth. The conservation is defined as the management of human use of the biosphere so that it may yield the greatest sustainable benefit to the present generation while maintaining its potential to meet the needs and aspirations of the nature or the future of the generation. And the two basic approaches in wild conservation in protected habitats are in situ conservation and ex situ conservations.